The purpose of this project is to simulate the ways in which extrusive and intrusive igneous rocks form. This model will replicate how igneous rocks may be formed from intrusions, lava flows, or ash deposits. A candle wax layer will represent the solid mantle. 500 grams of sand and 250 milliliters of water will represent the lower crust and upper crust. A heated pan will represent heat radiating from the core. When the mantle becomes hot enough to melt, the wax, which represents magma, rises to the surface, imitating a volcanic eruption. The magma rises because it has a lower density than the surrounding crust. As you can see here, the mantle is starting to melt and magma is beginning to rise through the crust. As the magma rises through the crust, some of it sets in the water, representing intrusive igneous rocks. These are weak spots or fractures in the rock layer, which allows the magma to rise. The wax that is settling above the water symbolizes extrusive igneous rocks cooling above the crust. Here is an equation of the pressure of silica sand and water per foot. This was calculated using their specific gravity. I calculated silica sand to have a 0.69 psi per foot and water to have a 0.43 psi per foot. To put this into perspective, in regards to the pressure from the density of the crust, silica sand is 1,380 psi at 2,000 feet and water is 850 psi at 2,000 feet.